Hey everyone! Today we would like to demonstrate how to install the glass spigots with colorful LED lights. Firstly, let's look at the main components of this LED lighting system. A 12-volt transformer power supply, on RGB color converter, 16-port main cable, amplifier power, and LED extension cables, amplifier, and a 1.5-meter T-shaped cable. Okay, let us start. First, connect the transformer to the converter. The plug has anti-insertion error design for easy connection. Then attach the 16-port main cable to the converter. And you can connect LED lights one by one to those 16 ports. If the lights are far apart, add an extension cable in between. Turn on the power. Use the remote to set the light colors and frequencies, and the glass spigot glowing effect is achieved. For more than 16 glass spigots with LED lights, connect an amplifier. Plug it into the last port of the main cable. Power the amplifier with the same 12-volt transformer. Then use the 1.5-meter T-shaped cable from the amplifier's output to connect new LED lights. The T-shaped cable lets you link more LEDs in sequence. Finally, turn on the power roll light sync to change colors, achieving synchronized lighting for more LEDs. Let me show you again. Connect the transformer to the converter. The converter connects to the 16-port main cable. If cables are too short, add extensions. The 16-port main cable is 24 meters in total, with a T-shaped connector installed every 1.5-meter interval. For over 16 lights, add the amplifier and connect LEDs sequentially with the T-shaped cable. Power it up. Your full LED glass spigot lighting system is complete.